Hi, my name is Emily. You're watching this video, so you already know that manual invoice processing is time-consuming, error-prone, and expensive. The good news is there's an easy fix. John is going to tell you about it and show you how it works. Hi, John.
Hi, Emily. Thanks for having me. iDocuments P2P, also known as Purchase to Pay, is an end-to-end solution for creating, capturing, and automatically processing purchase recs, purchase orders, goods receipts, and AP invoices. Developed by Vision 33, a global SAP Business One Gold partner, iDocuments empowers companies to digitize paper-based processes. Today, I am going to show you how AP invoice automation works with SAP Business One. But before I start the demo, let me provide some context. iDocuments AP automation is web-based and integrates seamlessly with ERP and accounting software. It uses AI-powered OCR and machine learning to automatically import invoices received via email and extract details down to the line level. iDocuments uses a variety of identifiers to identify the supplier and attach the invoice to the supplier record. Additionally, an automated three-way match links the invoice to its purchase order and goods receipt. When the three-way match is successful, invoices are automatically routed for approval. GL and analysis codes are applied before transactions are posted to your ledger. Let's hop into the product and take a look. Suppliers send their invoices to a dedicated email inbox with a PDF attachment, and the system does the rest. Our demo email has two invoices, one for Connecting London and another for CTI Computers. Let's hit send so you can see how this works. In the background, iDocuments uses an AI-powered OCR engine to read and import invoice details. It scans them for unique identifiers to match them with a PO and associated open GRNs in SAP Business One. Identifiers include company name, email address, PO number, federal tax ID, and VAT code. In our scenario, the CTI Computers invoice matches with PO number 1320 and the associated goods receipts. This is called a three-way match. The Connecting London invoice is a standalone invoice that does not match to a purchase order. Now that we understand how invoices are imported, let's visit the iDocuments dashboard. I can easily access imported invoices from the quick link. You can see the purchase order number and one of the two associated GRNs for the CTI Computers invoice on the first line. Clicking this link opens the Rapid Invoice screen. An image of the invoice is displayed on the right, so I can confirm the accuracy of the imported data. I can easily edit field values, including item, quantity, cost, and dimensions. Next, I will hit Submit so it can be processed. Because there was a three-way match, the invoice does not need to be routed for approvals. It will be approved automatically and posted to SAP Business One. Let's take a look at the second invoice that was received. If you recall, the Connecting London invoice didn't have a purchase order. We can see the line descriptions are for repair services, monthly maintenance fees, and training costs. iDocuments will use those descriptions to identify and apply GL codes to each line automatically. If the description doesn't provide enough information, iDocuments will draw from historical data. If there isn't any, the field will be left empty and the line will be highlighted, prompting the user to enter a relevant GL code. I will submit this invoice just like the last one. However, since it didn't successfully match with a PO and GRN, the invoice will be routed for approval. When we look at our purchase invoices, we can see that the CTI Computers invoice has been approved. The other invoice, Connecting London, has not. Approval workflows can involve multiple stakeholders and are easily customized to accommodate your specific business requirements. Each approver receives an email notification when there is something to review, and after clicking Approve, the invoice is routed to the next approver if there is one. Approvals can also be done using the iDocuments mobile app. All invoices have been approved and can be posted to SAP Business One. The column called ERP status will indicate when those transactions have successfully posted. The document relationship map now shows an open AP invoice related to the PO and GRPOs. I want to share a few more things about iDocuments before I conclude the demo. First, A PDF of each invoice is automatically added to SAP Business One. The contents of supplier emails are captured in the remarks field. To help you locate invoices, iDocuments uses a powerful smart search feature. I want to search for H&S. iDocuments searches the document archive when I click Apply. I happen to know that H&S isn't on any invoices. It's on supporting documentation for our vendor Connecting London. iDocuments has searched the entire library for that string. Smart Search is a powerful way to quickly find what you're looking for. Smart Reporting is another important function of iDocuments. Users can create their own reports. As an example, I've created a bar chart report to show the value of purchase orders that were raised. Who is spending the money, if you will? This gives you a brief glimpse into what you can do with the system.
Thanks, John. That was a great introduction to iDocuments AP automation. For those of you watching, I hope this demo gave you a solid understanding of how iDocuments would help your company save time, eliminate mistakes, and automate inefficient processes. Thanks for watching. For more information, please visit the Contact Us page on our website.